It's Not Dead Yet by MitoGrow. It's a fun, catchy name. So can you tell everybody, Todd, how'd you come up with the name and what does it mean?
So we did start in commercial. I wanted to say that. The commercial, a lot of professional landscapers started using this, and what they were seeing was it was great for installations because it was decreasing mortality rates by about 70%.
Right.
That saves them a lot of money, a lot of time, just and you know, better customer retention.
Right.
So anyway, that's where we started. But the name, we got into a room with a bunch of marketers and we threw out a million different concepts, and this one stuck the best with us.
And it's definitely catching. Like,
it is.
Catches your eye and you're like, it's not dead yet. So how would we use this product?
Yes.
Is it always in it's struggling mode, or can we use it proactively?
Quite opposite, yes. So we want this product to be used, again, it says it's not dead yet. That is to catch everyone's attention. But the main way to use this is in a proactive approach. When you buy a plant, tree, or shrub and you're installing it, you want to use this because, again, it's more prone to get through the stress.
Right.
And you talk on your shows, what's stressful? It's bad soil and bad weather. Whether it's cold or hot, droughts, you name it. Even just flooding, that's stressful.
Our weather is very stressful. So if
Yeah.
there's anything that you can do to take that stress off, you're going to be ahead of the game. So it's an insurance policy.
That's right.
So we spend a lot of money on our landscapes, and we want the best results.
Yes, you do. And we wanted to bring success to people, more confidence to homeowners. And that's what this does. Fertilizer can't really do that.
Yeah.
Fertilizer is a plant food. This is something that helps uptake of the plant food and water, and again, combating stresses. So, you know, the proactive approach is definitely the primary function of the way we want this used, but then it has the unique ability to reverse decline. And a little bit with the decline, you know, nobody's made a product in the last 30 years that really helps trees. And there's a lot of trees that are in decline. And the reason why is because of their feeder roots.
Right.
It's environmental stresses. They can't take up water, they can't take up nutrients. This gets that going again so that they can heal themselves.
Yeah, and it helps all the other products work better.
Yeah, better.
So I always say, just add it to the toolbox, right?
Yes,
awesome.
Exactly.
We'll talk more about this on the show on Saturday mornings, 6:10 a.m. from 7 to 9.